Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix your compass calibration problem in your APM board and a mission planner. Let me just connect my board to the computer. As you can see, I did not connect a jumper pin right here. You can see this. As now you can see, I have connected my GPS module to my APM board, and here is a message frequently comes, bad compass health. And when I try it to calibrate, you can see there are no dots here. I will show you how to fix this. Now you have to unplug your GPS module from APM board, and now you have to remove the screws. I have saw many videos in YouTube which do not solve my problem. On my own I have solved this problem. After removing this cover, just unplug this. The problem was there was no current flow and signal flow in these wires, so just wanna do a continuity test. As you can see, there is no beep. It means the wire has cut in between. Let's test another wire, white wire here and the white wire here. There's a beep. Means the orange wire is cut in between. So we have to fix this. Let me remove these wires. Let me test once again that the continuity. No beep here. So we have to change this wire. So I have got an external wire. Just replace it. Just reconnect these wires to the module. Now let me connect the GPS module. The board is connecting now. You can see compass not calibrated. Let me try to calibrate the compass. Now let me try to calibrate the compass. APM and external compass, live calibration. Okay. Now you can see the dots are coming. This is the problem I have fixed. Thanks for watching.